Welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you one of the key feature of our platform, how you can access the custom CSS and how you can apply that on the account. So let's get started. Simply log into the BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, you have to select the agent in which you want to configure the settings. After that, you have to go to agent settings and under the web platform, scroll down to the last and you will get this advanced option. Once you click on this advanced option, you will get an option to add custom CSS for chat window and launcher icon. Once you add that, so it will be applied here. After that, there are some more settings that you can configure from here, like capture IP and device information, capture URL source, disable auto trigger for both desktop and mobile, and trigger for like how many seconds you can set from here for both desktop and mobile. And once the visitor close the chatbot, it should pop up again or not pop up again. You can set up that from here, which devices the agent should support, all devices, or you can set that from here, whether the mobile or whether the desktop. You can set that from here as well. After that, you can manage and you can also allow or block agent on certain IP address. You can click on this and the IP address will be blocked as per your configuration. And what position, where you want the bot position that message bubble, that you can set from here. Hide agent profile photo and welcome note in landing page. If you turn on this toggle, so agent profile photo and welcome note will be hidden in landing page. And next is hide agent header in landing page. So these are the settings for the landing page, these two. And hide CTA, call to action button in website agent. And you can decide the CTA position left, right from here. And lastly, you can set the CTA from here, like chat with us. You can edit it as per your requirement. And once you are done with all the changes, all the customization, you can simply click on update. And once you click on the update, the green pop-up will come up, platform settings updated successfully. So use this option to make your chatbot more interactive, branded and user-friendly across website. That's all about this video. If you encounter any issue or have any query, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good one.